Hello, once again from Minimax 1030RS build with me, Scott. I got all these pieces cut for the rear spar for the starboard wing. Everything fits nice and tight. Got the backup structure for the strut here. Got an extra little beam here on this spar, the rear spar. I think I got it right. Of course, the drawing shows it backwards from the way I'm making it, but I think I'm thinking right. Hope you've had a blessed evening. Hope your day's going to be great. Mine's going to be awesome. Got a lot of work to do. I'm taking a little lunch break right now. We're going to mix some epoxy up and go ahead and glue this thing up. I noticed some other people, I've seen them pour this into a measuring device, whether it's a syringe or a cup or whatever, and then mix it together. But you notice I've been eyeballing it, and hopefully it all holds together. I'm just looking at the side of the cup, though. So I'm making an educated guess, but it's not as perfect as measuring each one. Then I look at how much is left in the bottle of each one when I get done, and it gives me indication whether or not I've been even getting close. And looking at it right now, you can see I got more of the dark stuff and the clear a little bit, which is the hardener. Ooh, smells like crab farts. It is another beautiful day here in southeastern Virginia. Sunny, spring light, everything is turning green. That's my time of the year, you know what? New life. Easter's coming up. Gonna be here any day. Hope you all got something great planned. I know a lot of people. What do you think about when you think about Easter? What do you think about? I know a lot of people think of a sunny day of vacation or going and doing something together as a family. A lot of people do that. Some people see it as a day to go to church and do church events most of the day. A lot of people know that it was the day that Jesus rose from the grave and conquered all darkness. When I think about Easter, I think about the cross. All right, here we go. I know when I do the port struts, the port spars, don't go much smoother because I got it in my head how it goes. All right. This is a messy job. I don't know how many rolls of paper towels I've went through. I'm going to go through, but it's a lot. Bounty would be proud of me. I could be a poster child for Bounty, that's for sure. All right. Next. Work that into the grain there real good. Remember, this is a spar. Rear spar. Be right there where the air lines are. All right. Okay. Got a couple X's on this to guide it in there. Got this one here. Put that right there. Bueno. Yes. I don't think there's enough in here. I don't know. I think I'm going to have enough. I mean, just enough. And that's the way it's supposed to work out, huh? No, I still got a piece to put in the middle. I forgot. I'm not going to have quite enough. I need to mix up a little bit more. Oh, yeah. All right. Yeah, I think I might have mixed up too much. It's okay. We are in good shape. A few more weights here. Okay. We'll let that dry, come back, sand it off a little bit, get the staples out, and put some gussets on. And we will continue to make this wing. Hope y'all have a great, blessed day. Hope everything goes your way. Hope you pray to God that it goes your way. When you do, you'll see that it will. We will come back in about next episode or two. You're going to see a new Simonini motor. Mailed out yesterday. Going to be here in a couple days. And we'll be able to finish that fuselage up then, finish that front, the turtle deck and all that. Things that come together. What I need now is time. Got beautiful weather. Got parts. Like I said, I got to go back to the hardware store and get some aircraft bolts, or number 8 bolts to for where these ones were about 3/8 inch too short. A lot of little busts like that in the plans where stuff just ain't quite right. But you figure out how to do it when you go along and you spend that extra money. I'll probably end up spending another $500 probably on hardware that the kit was supposed to have or didn't work out right or something. That's just the way it is. You can figure stuff like that. It's called incidentals. But we'll see you next time. Take care.